What's going on, guys? Back again. We got the truck in here that we finally painted, testing out these lights and everything, see how they worked, and let's take a look at it. So this is a third gen Dodge. Clear coat and everything was peeling on the side of it. Turned out pretty good. There's not hardly any dirt in this thing at all. It turned out really clean, which that's usually how it goes anyway. But we had to put rockers in it. The rockers were rusted, as I don't know if you guys know, but third gen Dodges, cab corners, rockers, and the wheel arches, they all rust out. Tailgates rust out on them too. But we had to put in a rocker on this side, cab corner, paint side of it. Wheel arches, you know, they were toast. They all rot out right here. So we had to put in new arches on both sides of the bed. That turned out pretty good. But I just wanted to give you an update on it with the these lights, because I wasn't for sure how they're going to work. So far they look pretty good, but still not 100% convinced. So I did stick in another light right here. This one here is more like of a 5,000 to 4,800 or so K, and these are like 6,500. I wanted to see how that worked. I do like this light better. It seems like it does give a more accurate picture of colors than the other ones. So if you do need some lights, Menards has these on sale right now. They're $9.99 for a 2-pack. You're not going to find any lights at a better rate right now. Now I don't know how long they're going to last. We'll see how long they last. Hopefully they'll last a couple of years. That'll be great. But for 10 bucks you get 2 lights in a pack. You can't beat that. These are like 5,500 or 6,000 lumens. I mean, they put out a lot of light. I bought a bunch of them. I've put them in my front shop. I've got some that I'm gonna put over here. I'll probably end up changing those ones out for these because I like them better. I just like the color representation better. It's a little softer, a little more true to color. But it turned out pretty good. Just wanted to give you an update on it. Everything seems to be working out pretty good. I might do a few little changes here and there. Might add a couple more lights, but all in all, everything's great. I mean, it turned out really good. All right, you guys, I'm gonna let you go. I just wanted to give you a quick update. We'll end up getting another video going of, you know, old Barney over here. And then we'll dive into that and get you some details on everything, and then try and make a decision on which way we're gonna go with this truck. I don't know yet, but I want to get something going on it because it's just taking up space. And you know, if you got a wife, she's always wanting you to build something. As you can see, I got a bunch of wood here because I got to build some cabinets for the kitchen. So I need all the space I can get everywhere I get it. But we'll see you in the next one. I appreciate you guys tuning in. If you have any questions, throw them in the comments and I'll answer them.